The culture here is awesome. It's amazing. It's being able to get together as a team and work hard and get things done. People have a hard work ethic. What I enjoy most about my role here is that I get lots of variety. I'm a CNC operator, I run a plasma cutter, but I also am a welder, and I get to get my hands on both, and just keeps my mind busy, being able to just stretch me in different ways. But that's two different things that I really like about working here. What makes PWI different is that the leaders here care about the employees. They put the effort into hearing your side of things and to help make change for the better. There is so many things that this place offers, good paid, lots of benefits. What keeps me coming back to PWI every day is, well, first my family. Have to provide for my children and my wife. But it's a fun place to work. I work with my friends. We always have a good time. We joke around. We just have a blast, and I have a great boss, and he's always wanting just to serve us in any way he can, and also pushing us. PWI has helped me personally become a better dad, become a better husband. We do something called round tables, which we're able to get together as groups and talk about life and learn exactly how we can improve in certain areas here at work, but also at home. The leadership that is driving this company forward is there to help you grow as a person. So it's more than just a job. It is a place that will help you develop individually.